Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Filecoin. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you a very big breakout from a big falling wedge pattern that was happened on the 7 days time frame chart, and this was my last video by the way. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, by the way, this was smaller than the previous one, but it was formed on the weekly time frame chart, therefore I'm calling it as a big falling wedge pattern. And after that, you can see it imminently broke out this $4.60 resistance level that has been previously working as a resistance here. And for several weeks or months, it has been working as a support here and resistance here as well. And also here, it worked as a support and here as well. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And by the way, if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I will also share the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2023 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, or trade setup or pawn, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And over there, you can watch the complete trade setup. Like this is the buying zone, this is the sell target zone, and this is the stop loss. And in order to see how the price has moved after sharing this trade signal, you need to click this play button. And by the way, in order to use this option to click this button, you need at least a free account on a trading view. If you don't have, then you can create one using the link I've shared in the description of this video. Now, I'm going to click this button and you can see that it is showing us that first price line drop down, entered the buying zone. Then we had a very, very massive pump. Now let's move to the live chart of Filecoin. And you can see that previously since after March 2021, it was moving inside this quite long-term falling wedge pattern. Here we had a fake out, but the price line re-entered the same falling wedge pattern. You can see after a struggle for several months, you can see it was moving at the resistance, but the price line got rejected and dropped down at the support of the wedge once again. Then we had another bounce. Then we got another rejection, dropped down at the support. By the way, this support of $2.68. And also we had a spike up to the support of the wedge as well. And finally, we broke out the resistance of this wedge, but we got stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. And by the way, this was almost a recent single. This $2.68 was almost a recent single before breaking out this bigger falling wedge pattern as well. Therefore, after testing the support once again, we finally broke out the next falling wedge pattern as well. And imminently, we broke out the next major resistance of $4.60. And right now, you can see it is retesting the previous resistance of $4.60 as a support. After that, the next major resistance will be here at $6.36. That is also a quite long-term resistance. You can see for several weeks, it has been breaking as a resistance here, and here it also worked as a resistance. And once the price line will be able to break it out, then the next major resistance will be here at $11.40. That has been previously working as a resistance here. And now if we take a look at the final target for these two breakouts, then the final target for these breakouts is here. The breakout target from the smaller falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $9. And the bigger target for this huge falling wedge pattern breakout is here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $250 to $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.